Matakas ngi kakan retorik unailar arajar arpulai, kejengnya penipur akan mentakaba Arab yang kami keliabat Asam kelas sedang. Hak baki ofisa nak liang jongka Asam, bat kami juru ki ofisa nak liang jongka Meklia, kila li akasnang baikam. Baru sekatakan ni kejaka kadan hapo Asam, hendak kinong sosnong pat kidai ki khasi penar. Kejeng nek jikan ki ofisa matakas ni kalong, hak baki ofisa napo Asam, kila ong bat pek yaki kat kisla kat ban nak liang jongka Meklia pat kalait nak mentakab voice board ane ban wat, ya kasur jongka pat ba syanugidan. Hari kini song-song kata kerja kelapan pau kerja semua lengo bagi wan artili ki hukum nak mekhlia kawan nak taban yo ya kasojong pat ba kat ban kalian jok asam pak kawan wat di dokumen lan di kat kislah. Hakan ni kajelang dan lang kaseng HYC ban senran ban kerja ni ki pat ba. Kasih pak ki basong hakan ni kesnong kebetulan harut jong kawa maridor.
Yang warak piraki yang ang kidesen lewat I kuwa ulai cha Mekhalia ang kanta lesen ka
Goyak semen mau?
Iwan ya ini bukan
Yang cua.
we are late
We are from Meghalaya. So only one thing you want to ask us, sir, like how do you feel or your opinion about this? Because according to the notice, we got about the voice vote. So we have seen today. So what's your opinion from your side, sir? Please tell us something.
Today I come here in this Baikam village based on the order given by Qatar DCC. So the main purpose of coming here is to come and verify your documents related to those schemes which is enjoyed by people of Baikam village from the Assam government. So that is the main purpose to come and see it. And yeah, that's all.
Okay,
That is the main purpose.
Yeah, you came for that purpose.
Yes,
so-
for the purpose only I came.
Okay, one thing, sir. The one thing is that today we have seen that there are like what we have known about the issue is one from Meghalaya they send about the notice of voice vote, and one from Assam is for the document. So like we have seen today, the people are having some confusion. So is there anything clash or like misunderstanding between the Assam and government Meghalaya? Like the notice are different they got now. So I just want to know
So
about
far,
that.
to my knowledge is concerned, I don't think there is any clash of opinion because DCSR sent message to Credit DCSR regarding this program only. So based on that, maybe Credit DC issued that order. So personally, like I don't have idea. Later on, only I get to know the
Oh, yes,
message from Credit side only. So what I know is that I'm being instructed to come and conduct your documents verifications. That's all from my side, I can say.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Pak Saki.
Nagalian juga ka sekretaris no nagtampaw ya gajimtan ka bakraw na marmenta kasmi nila kumbalapha daki disi kumbalawan nagyang kumbalaray na kajang meeting bakinwan no ini nagalian jong ka set Mekhalia ba nagalian jong ka set Assam kumenta kasmi lawan saki daw video nagalian jong ka Mekhalia ba daw circle officer nagalian jong ka Assam kaya menta kasmi nila ay kata ka voice vote ka jamni but haka ni ka voice vote ka jamni nila bang nila yo na pa ya kata ka jingjap te don hi kiba mukwa ban peniasa sa Mekhalia nre ya kita kim don hang ni haspot but ngange hiru kin manjur ya kani ka jingkwa ka jamni but hakajuk kapuar nga karpat ya iso kongrat sangma ku chief minister ba insngom ha ban shim kia ya kadi ka shnong ga jongi but insngom haru ba karpat juri ba in panyasa kanya ban kuduk yang ni kum kajak benriu kasih penar bagi don Meghalaya namar ni de hamni hasnang ni don taki kasih penar hakaram ka baik rukum ju hakabam ka di rukum ju hakanyam ka rukam rukum ju but hakatin ka thilik rukum ju namar shani hasnang jungi dan kijingnya bangim yasno thu baktin ka thilik but kum ju ro ngimnya pei phang hakapule ka puthi ngimdan kata ka dagi dan kino kibang kikat kisla ki bangi pei ro lang ngimtip ki tho ayu ne ki ong ayu tade hakane kanong rem ngakarpat jur ya nakalyang ka jongi kum kinong shnang jong ka baikam ngakarpat jur ya ka sarkar Meghalaya tibaki dei ban shim khia ya kane ka kam Syapang gani ka shnang ka jongi bangin rong ya ka sya ka state Meghalaya boleh syukur dang shnang jong ka baikam kumba na kalyang jong ka Meghalaya kumbala rai ha ka jang meeting bakin wan kita ki na kalyang jong ka Assam bat na kalyang jong ka Meghalaya na kalyang jong Assam lawan da circle officer bat na kalyang jong ka Meghalaya lawan da video bat kani kalong ka jing dokumen ka bangan ketik syaki babaro ni kum kidong shnang lakwa ban penyeso ya kani ka shnang jongi sya ka shnang Meghalaya bat kum juro nakarpat ya ki badai ya ka komiti ya ka regional committee jang Meghalaya bahkan snobha ban shim yangi kum kajak benriu jong ki bat kum juro banga karpat ya ka sarkar Assam ban kan pelaj yangi da ka basuk bangin lek penyeso sya Meghalaya bat hagani ka puaro ngakwa ban yatu bah hagani ka spot ka jongi te na kalyang jong kita ki badan ka to kan ningot ki bakwa ban lek sya Assam re kimya dan rengkat bat ni hagani ka penpau hagani ka waiswut ka penpau bangila yo lapa ya ka jingjok but hagani ka waiswut niyo iba kita ki badan ki bom snokwa bandrung sya Meghalaya ru kim dan rengkat hangne te de na kata kadau ngakarpat jur ya ka sarkar Meghalaya but bakin snobha ban penyaso ya kan ka shnang jungi bat ban kuduk yangi kum kajak benriu jongka sya Meghalaya bat kum juru ya karpat ya ka sarkar Assam ya tam ban pelaj yangi da ka basuk tang kini kikintin ku blai shibon
Ini nagalang HYC Janjil District Unit mende ka pendap lagi dari jing sungkumen habang ilayo ban seki dalagi jong kikmat ban ay muslim yakini ki produk persnam jungi di badon nako baikam apdeng ki jing kenduk lang jong ki arli regional committee apdeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya dan ngilawan hangne ban ay muslim yakini produk persnam jungi ngi ba karisol kalong successful ngi ba rapu persen dan ekandai persen lagi nong syong di badon lagi syong di kuat Malay support Meghalaya. Tengi na galing gaseng kung bangilaya ilantin do pasdang idon rangkat bat kan ni syong haduk ban klimat bat idang kerpat juru yaw CM badon burom jungi tamtam yaw video ba present mendagasngi wa nagalang ka district administrative kalapha lembaga regional committee na Janjil district buon simkia buon perkat lem gini produk persnam jungi ban unpun urlong ya kecing kwa ke jongki ban ngi nagalang jong HYC Janjil district unit di kerpat ya UCM deputy CM dan burom jungi snobha dak burom pendrung gini produk persnam jungi support Meghalaya namar ba lagi phai security gustur kidai ki penar ki ba im kumni ki babam kumni ki rap kumni ki tin ki village kumni kumdong ngela ban ino konsuat iki te kumtang kerpat jur yaw chief minister badon burom jungi snobha sim khia ikene sim khia ban pendrung gini produk persnam jungi support Meghalaya tang ba kajing angnot jungi kan seiso